Hello, I'm Erica Lane, and I'm going to give tips on how to create your own MySpace profile. But if you want to go back to your home page, click on Home. If you would like to put a custom picture on your background, then you will need to find a code or a generator to do that. And I'm going to go to google.com and search for MySpace generator. MySpace layouts. Here's one called freecodesource.com. Click on generators. Layouts. You can click on animals, animated backgrounds. There are all kinds of categories that they will provide background layouts for you to use. If you want to create your own custom layout, click on generator,